okay, which we use it to build something, okay, which we use it to build something and deploy the application purpose. Developers use the platform, okay, like in general, in kitchen platform we use for cooking purpose. In railway station platform we use for transport, railway station or bus station, we use the platform for transport, for moving purpose. In service now, what purpose we use the platform means to build application or deploy the application purpose, we use the platform. Okay. So ServiceNow itself, in the first line we discussed, ServiceNow itself is a company. Also, ServiceNow is a platform. Also, ServiceNow is a platform. That means here, ServiceNow provide a free platform to everyone who want to learn ServiceNow. Now, ServiceNow provided free platform to everyone. That is the personal developer instance. So this is my PDI. This is my PDI. Okay. So this we call as a platform. In this place, I can build something, whatever companies they want, I can build it. Okay. Here I can build it in this place. Okay. So we have different instances based on, like, in first in the developer, the develop in dev environment, next to test, a move to test and prod. Okay, that things we'll discuss the next. So this is my platform, or this is my instance. In service now we call platform or instance the same. In this place, developer is going to build something, or someone using something in service now means they need to open this platform. Okay. So here, if ServiceNow is using PaaS as a solution, okay. So now in PaaS solution, we extended the existing applications. That means we create custom or scoped applications using low code and no code. So ServiceNow is supporting NLP. Okay. So this is try to reducing coding part here. So it is supporting low code and no code tool. So here, if companies take the subscription as PaaS solution, they can build their own application. We are not giving our site to any builder, anyone. We only constructing our own house. Okay. So in this case, whatever you want, the changes you want, you can change it. There is no one objection. There is no limitation. Okay. So here in past solution, everything managed by you. Everything managed by you only. Okay. You want to add one window, you want to add one door, you want to add one room, or you want to remove it, whatever, anything, you can do it. Okay. So this is about past solution. See why SaaS and PaaS means, in SaaS solution service now there is a limitation, you cannot do until some point. The automation thing you cannot do, more automation is not possible. But building the custom application, scoped application, you can do. any level of automation in your application, and it cannot impact to others. Maybe ServiceNow side anything is impact. If they remove any field, then immediately your application also impacted. So if you don't want impact to your application, you want to stay your application as a stay every time, you need to use PaaS solution. Now latest ServiceNow is supporting a PaaS. ServiceNow is supporting a PaaS. So a PaaS means application platform as service. So this is the subset of PaaS solution. So in this APaaS solution, it support rapid development of business applications with help of Flow Designer and Integration Hub Studio. It is very easy in ServiceNow. Already in PaaS, like it's supporting low code, no code, and APaaS, it's supporting the tools. It takes the supporting the tools like in the Flow Designer, Integration Hub, and Studio. We can easily integrate with the third party applications without the complex code. The previous, if you want to integrate with your third party application, so you need to write like a very like long script, complex script. Now that complex script was not required. Minimum script is required to integrate with any third party application. So these are the different solutions provided by ServiceNow. Companies, they can choose what solution they want. So for example, Wipro, Infosys, TCS, these are using ServiceNow. Okay, most of the companies they use PaaS a PaaS solution. They want build their application with their own uh, developers. With the help of the developers, they can build it. So this is the about ServiceNow definition. So ServiceNow was found in 2003. Okay, so that founded by Fred Ludy is the founder. Okay, Fred Ludy, and so that location is California, USA. Okay, so now ServiceNow, it is entered into multiple sectors. Like the first one, the from left to the circle here, first option, IT service management. Here I'm pointing. Okay, information technology service management. IT service management. Simply we call it as ITSM. Okay, so these ITSM ServiceNow initially they launched the, okay, they have one product as a ITSM. So ITSM what purpose means? To resolve the employee issues. For that purpose, they launch this product. Later, ServiceNow enter into different sectors, different domains. Initially for IT employees issues resolve purpose only. Now they enter into customer service management. In customer service management, okay, ServiceNow is helpful to resolve customer issues when, before, after, or during purchase of any product. While you are going to buy any product, at that time you have any issue, you can raise a ticket Okay, someone can assist you, someone can guide you, okay, about that product. And also service now enter into human service, HR, human resource service delivery, HRSD, like employee related issues. If you want to pay slip, if you want any service letters, if you want to download your hike, whatever anything, you can see in the HRSD. So this is completely related to employee forms, employee services. Then security operation, how you can secure your application, okay, from threats, that is handled by security. The next, governance, risk and compliance. Any company, they want to reduce the compliance and they want to reduce the risk. See, if you are aware about stock market, okay, so if you want to buy any stock or anything, there is a risk. The risk prediction is analysis in the service now. Service now, it can tell, so this much risk is there if you want to buy or not. Final decision is your choice, but service now provide the risk, how much risk is there. Okay. The next, asset management, it details about what softwares company is having, and as well as hardware management, what companies having them, laptops, mouse, some printers, how many they have, they want to see, they can use software asset management, hardware asset management, and IT operation management. This is about events, CMDB, and discovery. So every sector now service now is entered. Initially 10 years back or 10 to 15 years back, service now is in only one sector, that is IT service management. See, and every year service now majorly release two versions. Okay. So versions means like nothing but patch or upgrade. So every 6 months they release one version. These versions are starting from Aspen, Berlin, Calgary, Dublin, see Rome, San Diego, Tokyo, Utah, Vancouver, Wuhan, Xanadu, Yokohama. Current version is Z, Zurich. So if you observed these names, these are the countries' capital names. Washington, America capital name, Tokyo, Japan, okay, Rome, Paris, these countries capital names. After juries, what is the next version? So service now committed every year, okay, that means in the every 6 months they are going to release one version. So once Q4 done, okay, Q4 done, they are going to release one more, okay, in 2026, expected in March, there is a new version. That version name expected, not yet confirmed, that version name might be Australia. In these versions, one of the name also might be expected India. Okay, so these are the versions. Okay, so every 6 months they are going to release one version. How to see version details in ServiceNow? I can tell you the next. So ServiceNow have major customers. If you see health sector, pharma sector, manufacture sector, banking sector, education sector, government sector, IT structure, whatever anything, they use ServiceNow. That's why entire world is working with the service now. Why can't you? If you are in anywhere, the service now is there. See, Netflix, entertainment sector. They are using service now. What purpose? If you have any issue in the streaming, yes, you can raise the ticket. Just you report it. In the back end, there is a ticket was created. Someone can work on in your ticket. AMD, manufacture, bank sector in India, Airtel is using. If you have Airtel thanks out, if you fill some questions, okay, then by default it create one ticket. And ICICI Bank also using in India service now. And in USA government, the federal government, they are using service now. So this is the most trustable and secure for your data. So that's why all the companies from major to minor, okay, based on the company capacity, all the companies they want to use ServiceNow capabilities in their organizations. So if you see any job notification, most of the job notifications, and I say ServiceNow developer, lot of notification you can see all the companies they want to hire ServiceNow skilled persons. So why all the companies they are hiring means there is a requirement in the market. They want ServiceNow developers. So this is the right choice to learn and switch your career into ServiceNow side. Okay. So in ServiceNow we have different roles: ServiceNow admin, developer, tester, business analyst, architect, consultant, as a project manager, team lead, and scrum master. Okay. So if you want to start your career in ServiceNow, you need to first learn ITSM. Okay. You need to learn ITSM. Once you learn the ITSM, then you can based on your interest, you can learn any other modules. So this is the base one in ServiceNow, and the minimum role is admin. Okay. So now everyone asking ServiceNow admin come developer role. We are not hiring for only admin. Okay. Like admin come developer. There is a much difference. Both are the same. ServiceNow admin come developer. Okay. So these are the uh, different positions available in the company. So who can learn ServiceNow means anyone can learn. Okay. If you have any background, programming background knowledge or not, don't worry. You can learn this ServiceNow. Okay. So if you have the programming knowledge in the background, okay, might be in your degree or in your BTech courses, if you have any C, Java, if you know little bit, this that will be add-on. If you completely non-computer science background, then also don't worry. We are going to cover the programming part from scratch. Okay, from the scratch we are going to explain. Just focus on what we are going to deliver. Then you can able to write the script. So this is about ServiceNow introduction. Okay. So any question here?
Sir, I have a one doubt. You told about the SaaS and SaaS, right? So
Hmm.
right now, all the companies are using SaaS products or PaaS products, like
Okay.
which are we are going to use in a real time.
Yeah. So in SaaS product, like developers are not required. Everything is managed by only ServiceNow. So in the real time, most of the companies they are using PaaS solution. That's why there is a boom. They want more people.
To work on PaaS solutions.
Yes. To build the custom application purpose, all the companies now they want only PaaS solution, PaaS type solution.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Anil, I have a question.
Yeah.
Uh, all those companies that you showed in the video were using ServiceNow. So,
Mm.
what are the alternatives that other companies are using instead of ServiceNow that is available in the market?
Okay. So I shown the in the slide major 500 major companies. Apart from this, so many companies they are using. Okay. So
Mm,
in market there are multiple opportunities are available. Okay. One is the service now. Now recently Salesforce also enter into CRM sector. Okay. But what is the difference Salesforce and ServiceNow means? Salesforce cannot store data in their site, but ServiceNow can store all the information in the ServiceNow platform. They have some data centers. Okay. So I shown in this picture only less companies. These are the major big companies. Apart from this, we can see more companies are there.
mhm.
So why means most of the automation is done in ServiceNow. You no need to go any other place. Everything you can do it within the ServiceNow. Automation, auto approval, auto close, okay, whatever anything you can do it in the ServiceNow. That's why other companies, okay, they want to utilize the ServiceNow functionality.
Okay, I just wanted to know if there any other platform which is more like ServiceNow, which can be
Yeah,
a
similar to yeah,
competition to
similar to
ServiceNow in future.
ServiceNow, or ServiceNow competitor is nothing but Salesforce.
Okay,
Previous we have remedy, okay, now there is no remedy, no one using, everyone they're using as a service now.
okay,
Most of the companies, see small company to big company, everyone using service now. There are two, either Salesforce or service now. Yeah. Any other question?
no,
No, sir. And this.
Okay. So in this course, we are going to cover, okay, admin, development, implementation, integration, and ITSM core concept. Okay. So first lesson, ServiceNow introduction. Okay, and creating PDI and user administration, plugins, applications. Okay, how to create the application service now, and what is update set, why we need to use update set concept, creating tables, list, form, and till this is the admin. Next, UI policy, data policy, client script, JavaScripting is a very important. Then only you can. This is a backbone for scripting. Okay. Then script include business rules. Okay. UI action, SLS, ACLs. ACLs nothing but who can access. Okay. It can handle and import set notifications, service catalog, flow designer, and schedule job, dashboards and reports. The next we can discuss integrations. We are integrating with the third party application and incident problem change management life cycle. We'll discuss every topic. What are the best practices? So these are the topics we are going to cover in this course. Okay. So every day we have 1 hour session. Okay. And after the every class, I'm going to provide some activity. You can try to do it. Okay. Once topic is done, covered, I'm going to give one activity. So this we are going to plan in this course.
Okay.
Yeah. So tomorrow I'm going to start user administration part and creating personal developer instance PDI. Okay. Then we will start the one by one all the lessons.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Along with this course, we are like providing career guidance. Okay. Like resume building, mock interview sessions we are taking. Okay. These are extra. We are delivering, we are providing some other uh, options. Okay. Anything you want to discuss?
No, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you.
Thank you, Anil.
Yeah. Thank you.